We're just coming from this, guys.
Oh my gosh.
This,
I'm shaking.
guys, I literally couldn't even open my eyes a while ago. That shit, I'm not doing again.
Hey guys, we're in Hollywood right now.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Hi Island Tribe.
Wagwan.
Welcome back to another show, another day.
Another adventure.
That's it. So guys, today we are going to
I don't even remember the name, you know.
the theme parks, Movie World. We're going to Movie World. So
Movie World.
This is going to be Babe's first time.
Yeah, first time.
So it's an Island's first time too.
Yeah.
So he's never seen, you know, beautiful colors, bright this, that, rides. So come along with us.
Yeah, man.
Join us.
And so, you know, again, guys, we're not alone. So if you see Island missing, don't go commenting.
Oh, they left him on.
Yeah, so just know that, you understand? So
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so
We're gonna hit the road, guys.
yeah.
Follow
us on this journey, guys.
We on the road now. Let's go now.
Jeez, busy. We're going to. Here we are, guys. Oh, I hope the rain doesn't come. Yeah.
This is it.
This is it. Oh, this time I know that there is.
Wow.
Movie world, guys. Movie world.
Look at those rides. Oh my god.
Oh my god, what's the weather like out there? It's alright. Look, guys!
Wow. Got them going up. That's high, man. Oh shoot! Oh shit! Oh my god! That could have been us, babe. Oh my god! Babe, we're not going on any of those.
Yeah, you are.
No, sir, must you be you?
I'm not going on it.
Why?
I'm scared.
Oh, so that frightening, man. What the rat did that? What the hell?
Oh, we're bringing Mr.
Holy
Jamaica. Mr. Jamaica here.
That is crazy. Alright guys, so we're here. We're inside.
Hi guys, we're here, but Island's being sooky.
Yeah, little bobo.
Alright.
Island.
So guys, we're here.
Yeah.
Hi.
Finally.
Yachty in a foreign.
It's really hot out here.
It is. Hi guys. Yeah, and I'll take photos of. What? Oh yeah, to line up. So guys, we're here. Thanks.
Hey baby. We're out here, guys. It's fully packed.
Yeah, it's full on.
Let's see.
See how we go.
So these are all like cartoon characters and all that here.
Yeah. Yeah.
What's that? Ben
and Jerry's. Ice cream.
Oh, ice cream.
Yeah, Ben and Jerry's, guys. Ice cream. Vanilla Bean Coffee House.
Those cars.
Oh yeah. We can go this way because I think the kids rides around here. I think you can like go in front of it and take photos and stuff. We'll take photos of you in front of it. You and Bobo. Hi, Len. A broom broom. A broom broom. Hi. The old taxi guys. Hi, Len.
25 cents first half mile.
Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, guys. One of my favorite places.
I love watching that.
Yeah.
Oh, you're
Kids
talking
Club.
about the pastry or you
Yeah.
actually watching the movie?
I don't know, I just want to see Island's reaction. Island boy.
He's not getting excited. It's like he's not.
Ooh, yay! Island. Island, whoa. He's looking around, guys. He's amazed.
All the colors. All the colors.
Yay! Okay, Mummy sit down. Mummy sit down too. Mummy sit down. Nappy. Nappy's gonna change after this. Here we go. We're gonna go on a ride. We're going on vroom 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 vroom. Island's scared, guys. He's freaking out. Island, don't be scared. We have fun.
Look at all the colors.
Colors, colors, colors. What color is this? Yellow.
Alright guys, just make sure we stay where we are for the whole ride and we don't hop off or move around.
Island, we're gonna go.
Ready, Island? Ready?
Just the awesome!
Hiya, Bubba. He's freaking out. What's going on? Hey, mister. Island.
He's like, whoa.
Oh, go. He's scared, guys. He's like, what's going on? It's my first time in one of these things. He will get used to it, and you're gonna have plenty. Oh, look at those tears. Hi, guys. Say hi, guys. I'm getting my pants changed.
Yep.
My nappy changed. Sorry.
Oh my god. Yeah, guys, it's really hot here. Really hot.
Alright, sit down. Good boy. Alright.
Yo.
Down here. You want some water? Is it cool? You want a drink of water? No?
No, it's full. So this is a little train track, guys. This place is massive.
You want to go?
He's in a mood, guys.
Nah, he's in a mood.
Yeah, he's not feeling the vibe for some reason.
Yeah. You got to think about it too. Like, he's always basically at home, and when he's in big crowds, I feel that he likes being outside, like adventurous things, like in the bush or going to the beach or camping, because it's just us.
Yeah.
There's not many people around.
Yeah.
But I feel that because there's so many people around, he's like you.
Yeah, he's learning.
He gets
but
shy and.
Yeah, he's curious. Like, what is this?
Like,
and
what's going on, and what are all these people, and what are we here for?
Yeah, man.
You know.
But look at what we have here. Is that a iguana?
Yeah, I think so.
This one look different. It's like a lizard. Oh, another one. Look at him.
He's just running.
What?
Oh shit, babe.
It's alright. I just want to see what they look like. Get closer. Try zoom in. It's two of them. It's like they're fighting.
So it looks like this is where people sit and have lunch and that.
Yeah, like
People have lunch.
it's massive, yo. So,
Guys, this is my favorite ride.
babe said this one is scary.
But right now, family's gone walkabout, and they're doing their thing for now. And then hopefully, me and Babe will get to ride on this one.
Yeah. So
Shun.
you say it's very scary?
Yeah, scary.
Wow. I love scary.
It's really, very scary.
Alright, let's go, guys.
For real.
Yeah, there's so much to do. So much activity. So guys, I'm about to go play this game right here. Right now. So basically it's like I have to throw the ring over the bottle. And I win one of those teddies. So yeah, it's a challenge. Ready, babe?
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go. You do it.
Alright.
Here we go, guys. Dad's gonna throw his first ring. Can you throw it from there, babes? Go, guys. Go, Dad. Go, Dad. Island, you want to have a throw? Island's trying to look. See that? You should stand up there. Stand him up. Stand him up and give him a go. Island and Daddy. Island. Throw it, Island. Yay, good boy. That's all right. Island, over there. Mum's gonna have a go. Ready, guys? I'm gonna have a go. Oops, that was crap. Careful, babe, Island. Go, Daddy. Go, Island. Maybe Island gonna get it. Hey, good boy. Go, Island. Yeah, Island. Hey, that was close, babe. Island, babe, watch him.
This is the way.
Come on, baby, to win something.
This is harder than I think.
Hey, babe. It's hard. You said you could get it though. Oh, what happened? Oh, watch out now. Go again, babes.
Yeah.
Throw it in. Oh. What'd you say, babe? What was that?
It was harder than I expected. Alright guys, so now we're gonna play this game, which is a different one.
Come on, babe, don't flop. Don't
Yeah,
flop.
because I flopped that one. So let's see what happens.
Here we go. Come on, Dad. Mister. Hey, look what Dad's doing. Look at Daddy. Them hard, so them a bounce back, yeah? Woo! Oh. Yay! Daddy won something. Look, you missed Daddy's. You missed Daddy. Look, which one you want? You want Spider-Man? Good job. Yay! Good boy. Wow. Look at that guy. Daddy. Oh. Daddy won a prize for you. Yay!
We're moving on from there now, guys. Just walking along and see what's there to see and what to enjoy.
Yay,
Right, Bobo?
Bobo.
Right, Bobo? Yes. Yes.
Let's sit down here. Let's sit down here.
He even got a hat, guys.
Sit down, Island. You're heavy, boy. Come on. Here.
It's alright, Island.
Here. Dang. Here, mommy, dang.
So moody today. What's with the attitude?
Not having it.
Oh, this place. Look how the art here just merged into that place right there. Like literally, it almost looks so real. You realize that?
Yeah.
It almost tricked me. That's what I'm saying. It merged into that.
It actually makes you feel like you're gonna walk in there.
Yeah, like
Walk in there, guys.
this is all art right here, and this is actual building.
Oh, that ride is mad. You get wet in that, but it's not
Wow.
running. It doesn't look like it's running right now.
That one all the way over there.
That's so cool.
Look at this, guys.
What's that?
Custom caskets. And look at this, babe, like a western. It shows like back in the day, like a western movie kind of thing.
Feel the walls. What do they feel like?
It must be wall. Oh, it's actually,
Like that.
yeah, it's actually aloe. Yeah, it's not stones or anything. You know, these are some of the things that they actually use in movies, like fake houses and all that, and film movies. That's crazy. If I should see this at night, babe, I would be scared. Like seriously.
Look at that Indian.
Indian?
Yeah, there.
Oh yeah. Wow. It's like I'm in Dallas, Texas. Rude boy, cowboy, walking the streets, you know?
Wild Wild West Falls.
Ah, that's what it's called. Oh, there's a falls. Oh, wow. So this is a slide?
It's supposed to be a ride. It's not open right now, but yeah. So basically, you go on the ride there, and then it goes up inside a cave, and then it comes down through those doors really fast.
Oh, wow. That's beautiful. This look mad.
You scared?
Yeah. Alright, guys, so
You film and
yeah.
yeah.
So these are all the old props from Batman movies, right?
Yeah, Batman. Oh my God, the Batman car.
Yeah, sick. It's a bit dark in here. Whoa.
Wow.
Look how dark it is, but it glows in here like
Wow.
blue. What? It looks so clear on this camera. What?
Wow. Batman ride, guys.
And I wanted to touch it, but I can't.
I know. It actually does. It's actually real.
Yeah, it does look real. Wow.
1992, 1992.
Yeah. Wow.
Oh, vroom, vroom, look, vroom, vroom. Ooh, wow. Bobo.
Wow.
Wow, Bobo.
Island boy.
Wanna go boom boom? Wanna go boom boom?
Just letting you know, if they don't say rapid run, they
He said all of them, they're actually roadworthy.
Yeah, so these are actually roadworthy.
Yeah, every single one of them. These are actually from the film
Yeah.
themselves. Yeah.
Wow.
Amazing, huh?
Yeah.
Wow, I don't know. The Joker's car.
Yeah. Sick.
Wow. Oh, look, Batwoman. Okay.
Oh, there? Wow, these look so crazy. This one looks scary.
Wow. Look, Island. Wow.
So these are all his enemies and wow, police car. That is sick.
That was nice.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so swimming up. That's bigger and bigger.
Yeah. Oh, look at this. Yo. This is the perfect place for kids. And not just kids, family overall, you know? Ooh, what the hell was that? Is that like a cannon? Oh.
Oh no, I thought that was real. It's not. It makes it look real.
What the hell?
I think I need glasses. Far out, guys. Oh my god, I'm scared.
Alright guys, so now we're going in the scooby-doo.
Scooby-doo.
Is it a ride?
Yeah, Scooby-Doo ride, guys.
Yeah, Babe said it's very scary, so let's see.
Let's see, guys.
Yeah. And I believe we can film in there, so
I hope so. I'm not too sure how.
let's see. Yeah. We're going here, see heaps of people, guys.
Bit of a line.
Yeah, it is very crowded. Still have a way to go, guys. Line is long. Hey,
A little
baby.
bit more, guys, and Dave's gonna.
Yeah.
Yep, have fun. Getting close.
Very close.
Very, very close. How you feeling, babe?
Excited.
Excited. Nothing can be as bad as an airplane jump.
Let's see if this can match up to the skydive. Let's see.
Maybe worse.
You think so?
I don't know.
We'll find out.
We'll see.
In the next episode of Scooby-Doo Ride.
What you say, baby?
I'm ready.
You ready?
Let's do this.
Let's do this. Here we are, guys.
Here we go, guys.
We're not that great.
Hold on, babe. Put the camera away, babe. Oh! Oh shit. You want me to use that camera?
Oh my gosh!
Oh no! Oh shit! Oh my god! Baby! Oh my god! We're going up. Holy shit. What do I hold on to? This?
Look down there. Look down there.
Oh shit.
Look down.
Oh shit! No. Shit! Oh no. Is this it, babe? Oh no.
Oh my god.
Pressing the camera over and over because guys,
oh my god,
guys,
that was crazy.
you guys probably won't be able to see much because it's really dark. But me scream. No, this remind me of the skydive. Me not lie, but this one not even scary. Honestly, guys.
Oh god.
Babe, what was that for you?
Crazy. Just crazy scary.
Oh my god. No, that was really scary. I underestimated it. That was scary. Wow. It's fully packed here, guys. So much people.
Definitely.
It's even more packed than when we just arrived. Yeah.
Yay! Island.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. So
Yeah.
we got yearly passes, so you know we can always come
Yeah.
back and do it all again.
There's so much more to go through. Like
Yeah.
we can't do it all in one day.
Yeah, for sure. Look, Island. Look.
Batman, Joker, and Superman. What? You guys, we are here. It's a good vibe, guys. We're loving it.
Yeah, guys.
Yeah. Nice.
Oh, that rain's nice.
Rain is coming down.
Rain's nice, though, 'cause it's hot here, guys.
Yeah. We have Scooby, guys. Scooby-doo. Hey, Mama. He's dancing.
So, guys, this one here, the Superman ride is closed
Yep.
because of the rain. It's slowly raining, so maybe they'll open up in a bit. But yeah,
Yeah, this one is actually really scary.
yeah, it goes really, really fast.
And it's high up, literally. Alright guys, so we're going on this hell of a ride right now, which is gonna be really super scary.
Yep.
I don't know I'm gonna manage after that Scooby-Doo ride a while ago, babe. Oh god, but let's see.
How long have we been waiting, babe?
Ages.
Literally, babe thinks it's like an hour.
I'm tired.
Me too. I'm ready for bumps.
Well, it must wake me up after because obviously I'm really sleepy.
Same here.
One eternity later.
Guys,
Guys, that was on the
look at this. We're just coming from this, guys.
Oh my gosh.
This,
I'm shaking.
guys, I literally couldn't even open my eyes a while ago. That shit, I'm not doing again.
No.
No, that was too extreme. Wow.
Never again, guys. You want to see our photo? Probably like. I think this is what we.
Hey boy. Island.
We're in Hollywood right now, doing our thing. So, guys, the ride we just did.
Yeah.
Babe, explain your side first.
On my side, just like the skydive that I did, you know, when the time come for me to like jump off, you know, I got scared. And it's the same thing when this was going up with us. I was saying to babe, can we go down back? And I'm like, I don't even know what I'm thinking because you're not the person to ask because it's already take off. You know, guys, and going up, realize you have to go all the way up and then it goes down and all of that. Like literally, guys, I think I would have probably pass out. So I had to close my eyes throughout the whole journey. Be able to say, open your eyes. I was literally not saying a word and I wasn't opening my eyes.
I opened my eyes like a little bit, but at the same time I was so scared because what happened was when I sat on the chair, I didn't sit on it properly. Like I was still a bit slouchy, but I still had enough room between the back of the chair and my bottom. And so the lady came and she goes, oh, can you sort of just lift yourself up? But I was already buckled in. She goes, lift yourself up so I can push it down to buckle the belt. And it worked, but it was scary, just thinking like it might come off, and she's like freaking me out. So guys, yeah, I just freaked out. The whole ride was scary. Will I do it again? I don't know. That was a hard one.
Honestly guys, to be honest,
but we had fun.
I personally don't think I'll be doing any more of these things. Yeah, me feel like this is it for me. Me done skydive already, me do this now. Me feel like them type of thing.
You still have to do Wet n Wild, which are the water slides and all
water
of that.
Slides, well, I was
and water rides, because there's still roller coasters and that too.
Yeah, but I think the water is better. I don't know. I feel like I'll handle the water better.
We'll see, guys. We'll see. But anyways, this is a wrap, guys. I'm gonna go get some food now because we haven't really eaten anything. Yeah. Like we have eaten, but not like good food.
Yeah, man.
So guys, it's been a pleasure. It's been good. Island's been naughty, so he's in the car all strapped up, ready to go. So we're closing this one, a quick one.
Yeah, man.
Stay tuned.
I hope you guys enjoy this one, a little family one and thing is me. And yeah, first time experience for me and Babe for some of these. So.
Some of the rides, yep. It was so much fun.
It was fun, but a bit extreme, let me say that.
So till next time, our adventure has just begun and has not finished yet.
Yeah, many more to come.
Many more.
Yeah.
Blessings, guys.
Yeah, man. Until next time, Silent Family. We on a roll now. Let's go now. I think my voice is gone.
Me too.
Screaming too much.
Hello. Hey guys, at the back of this car it says wagon. I don't know what that means, but it's kind of derogatory, isn't it?